Getting your first drone is exciting, but with so many options out there, it can be hard to know where to start. The best drones for beginners are easy to fly, durable, and packed with helpful features like automatic stabilization, altitude hold, and simple controls. Whether you want to take cool aerial photos, learn basic piloting skills, or just have fun flying, beginner drones make it easier to get in the air with confidence. Starting at number 1, DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K is a lightweight, easy-to-fly camera drone that's perfect for beginners and casual flyers. Weighing under 249 g, it doesn't usually require registration in many regions and is simple to take anywhere. It captures crisp 4K UHD video and stable shots thanks to a 3-axis gimbal, and offers up to 131 minutes of flight time on one battery. With a long HD video transmission distance up to 10 km, automatic return-to-home safety features, wind resistance, and intuitive controls via the DJI Fly app, it's a great first drone for learning, travel footage, and aerial photography. Number 2. DJI Flip RCN3 Drone. The DJI Flip RCN3 is a lightweight under 249 g folding drone with a 4K UHD camera and 3-axis gimbal that's ideal for beginners and casual flyers who want great aerial footage in a compact package. It offers up to 31 minutes of flight time, long-range video transmission, up to around 13 kilometers, and easy launch features like palm takeoff and auto return to home for safer flying. With smart shooting modes, strong stabilization, and excellent image quality from its 48MP sensor, DJI Flip makes capturing smooth photos and videos simple and fun for new pilots. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. The Potensic Atom 2 is a lightweight, easy-to-fly drone perfect for beginners and hobbyists who want great aerial photos and videos without a heavy or complicated setup. Weighing under 249 g, it stays in a category that often avoids strict registration rules, yet still offers advanced camera features like 4K HDR video and 8K photos from a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor mounted on a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, stable footage. Number 4. Holy Stone HS720 GPS Drone. The Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone is a foldable drone designed for beginners and casual aerial photographers who want easy flying plus strong features. It comes with a 4K UHD camera and stable image capture so you can record crisp videos and photos during your flights. Built-in GPS-assisted flight makes it simple to fly safely, including auto return to home if the battery gets low or signal is lost, and intelligent modes like follow me and path flying for creative shots. It also has efficient brushless motors for a quieter flight and long battery life, with 2 intelligent batteries giving around 52 minutes of total flight time, so you can explore the sky longer without recharging. The foldable design and included carrying bag make it easy to take on outdoor adventures. Number 5. Holy Stone HS440G Drone. The Holy Stone HS440G is a lightweight, beginner-oriented quadcopter that's perfect for adults and teens just getting into drone flying. Weighing under 250 g, it's easy to transport and often falls into a category that doesn't require strict registration in many areas. It features a 4K UHD camera with a wide-angle lens for vibrant aerial photos and videos, plus GPS-assisted flight with smart modes like follow me, waypoints, and auto return home to make flying more intuitive and safe. With brushless motors for smoother flight and about 23 minutes of flight time per battery, the HS440G balances beginner-friendly controls with quality features for creative aerial shots.